Planning your European adventure but worried about the budget? These budget-friendly tips for traveling to Europe in 2025 will help you save big, without taking away from your experience. And you can still see the best this continent has to offer. First up, travel during off-peak seasons. European cities are just as magical in the shoulder seasons of spring and fall, and sometimes even during the winter, especially if you're visiting Southern Europe. Not only will flights and accommodations be cheaper, but you'll also avoid the crowds. More space, less stress, and more savings. Europe is home to some of the best budget airlines like Ryanair, EasyJet, and Wizz Air. If you're flexible with your dates and don't mind traveling light, you can score incredibly cheap flights between major European cities. Keep an eye out for flash sales where flights go for ridiculously low prices. You can often find flights between major cities for under €50 if you're flexible with your travel dates. Also, don't overlook Europe's extensive train network. Use discount train passes like Eurail for long journeys or local trains for short hops to explore more for less. However, buses are often the cheapest option between cities, and many offer Wi-Fi and comfortable seating. You can travel across borders easily and enjoy beautiful landscapes on the way. When it comes to accommodation, Europe offers some of the world's coolest hostels. They're no longer just for young backpackers. You'll find options for solo travelers, couples, and even families. Websites like Booking.com and Hostelworld let you compare prices and reviews. Also, consider using apps like Airbnb, budget guest houses, or couchsurfing in smaller towns for an authentic, affordable experience. Dining out can add up, but you don't need to break the bank to enjoy Europe's amazing food. Avoid touristy spots and opt for local eateries or street food markets. From French crepes to Spanish tapas, you'll get an authentic taste of the culture for a fraction of the price. And don't forget to visit local bakeries and markets for fresh, budget-friendly snacks. Many European cities offer free walking tours where locals share insider tips and fascinating history. Just remember to tip your guide. Plus, tons of major attractions, like parks, historic sites, and certain museums, are free or discounted on certain days of the week. Always check ahead for deals. Look into city passes for discounts on attractions and unlimited public transport. Cities like Paris, Rome, London, and Berlin offer passes that save both time and money. You'll get access to museums, galleries, and even free public transport. Some passes even let you skip the lines. To avoid expensive roaming charges, get a local SIM card or buy a prepaid data plan as soon as you land. Apps like Google Maps and Rome to Rio will be your best friends for navigating Europe, so staying connected is a must. Just remember to download maps for offline use to save data. While iconic cities like Paris, Rome, and Barcelona are must-see, don't overlook Europe's smaller towns. They offer a more intimate, affordable experience. Not only are accommodations and food cheaper in these less touristy spots, but you'll also experience authentic European culture. Plus, they're usually a short train ride away from major cities. Booking things like accommodation, tours, and transport in advance can often get you great deals, but leave some flexibility in your schedule to take advantage of last-minute offers and avoid cancellation fees. Some services, like flights and train tickets, get cheaper the earlier you book, while accommodations and tours may offer last-minute discounts. Always double-check cancellation policies to stay flexible. Make the most of apps like Skyscanner, Rome to Rio, and Google Flights to score the best deals on flights and transportation. Keep your notifications on for price drops, and don't be afraid to book last-minute deals for huge savings. There you have it, budget-friendly tips to help you travel Europe in 2025 without draining your wallet. From affordable flights to staying local, you can see the best of Europe and save big while doing it. Ready to start planning your European getaway? Hit the like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and share your favorite budget tips in the comments below. Happy travels!